Hey everybody, what's up? This is Mining Trades and I am Crypto Trader bringing it to you. First thing this morning is 8:49 and monitoring Verge XVG is the ticker. And over here, what you see is my this is Trading View. I got it loaded up. I've updated some of my indicators to give me a more accurate read on what the market is doing. This is a 4-hour candle chart. Verge, as you see, is up. If we go into the 10-minute chart, let's go into the minute chart. Let's see, 2 minutes. How about 2 minutes? On the 2-minute bars, these are what they're looking like every 2 minutes. That's incredible because this is a bearish signal right here, but and this is the top right here. I would actually begin to try to figure out how I can capitalize on this, because it could come back down here. So what I want to do is I want to redeploy my capital. So I would like to switch over to, like, basically exchange my Verge coins for Bitcoin right here at the top of the value, at the highest point of its price move here, and then as it comes back, when it comes back down here, re-enter and buy more Verge with the Bitcoin and actually accumulate more Verge that way. There's no guarantee it's gonna go back down, but I got this indicator. These indicators are trying to give me a bit of a better signal. The RSI is going down. These are turning green. It could continue moving up. If we take a look at the Binance app over here, what you see is actually where I'm trading. It's been higher than Bittrex. TradingView doesn't have the data from Binance, so what you're looking at right here is Bittrex, and it's never reached up higher than this point right here. This is actually it. This is as high as it's been, unless this is the day, but that doesn't look like the day. It was actually at like 577 up here. 477. Let's go to the 477 mark up here.
A car isn't very useful unless you have roads that you can drive the car on. You need more of the roads to be there. The car exists.
All right, that's way up there.
Like the Lightning Network transactions already. You can do them.
I'll just keep that like that. Okay. It has been up here on Binance, so Binance is like leading this market, Verge market. I don't know if you guys know that, but Bittrex has been having some technical difficulties. I haven't had any on Binance, so maybe they don't have as many, but they claim that they have a superior protocol over there where they can handle like 1 million plus trades a second, and I believe them because they haven't messed up yet. And everybody's over there right now, so everybody's just switched from Bittrex to over there. So Binance hasn't, it hasn't skipped a beat. Now, let's try to dig into what's happening here before I lose I believe it's heading back down. Volume is creeping back down, so I would go back to Binance and I would just sell out of this position real quick for Bitcoin, 100%. This is Verge, right? How many Verge do I got? 5 Verge, sell Verge. Sell Verge, 100%. Yes, sell. What price? Sell it at this price. Look at all these buyers, man. Do you think it's going down or up? 385. I'll sell it. Get this on. Just because my technical analysis is showing me. I want to see if it's going to go higher from this point. I don't think so. I got it on a 2-minute chart too, so this is pretty strong. Yeah, let's go ahead and sell that for that's market sell. Let's go back there. Go to 385. We're at 385 right now, and their buyers are stepping up. That's why I'm kind of trying to figure out, but they'll fake you out. See how they fake you out? You can't trade like that. Look at that, they fake you out. So let's go ahead and I'll put a price on here for 385, and I'll do a limit, and then I'll do 100% Verge, which will give me that much Bitcoin. And I place the order. Let's go see the open order. Oh, I thought I pressed it. Sell it again. 385 right here. 384. How many sellers are in the market? Wait a minute, it's turning green. Maybe I can get a better price. Selling. I think I should follow my first mind, but it's hard when I see a big gap of like these are like zeros to me. That's what these look like. But now that they're stepping in, all right, so I'll just sell that market. It's hard to gauge this, as you can see. There's a lot of buyers that's coming in, and that's what I'm kind of want to see this thing go up here. I'm looking at these green bars right here versus these burgundy, reddish looking, purplish looking bars right here. And it's back at 385. See, and pretty much that's probably where a market order get entered. 385. Let's see if it's going higher. 384. Got a little bit lower. So I'll put an order in for 380. Ooh, look, 386. Someone bought them all up. See, it's going higher.
All this will be all discussed at Anarchapoco and CryptoPoco. We'll have links to those all down below. I know that, Jimmy, that you do a number of other things as well.
385. Buyers are in the market.
Because as I pull viewers, and I've said this since about 2013 or so, that for all the
how do I know that? Because this volume bar is turning hella green. This is a 1 hour chart, so that's not a good indicator. Let's go back to the 1 minute chart. Now that's what I see over here on Trading View, which is right here. 2 minute chart, and this is my volume bar. It's really thin, but you see it's growing, and that's what I'm gauging on the buyers, right? That's how I actually, I compare that with what I see in the order book, and that volume bar on Binance is different than the volume that is on Trading View. As you see this volume right here, if I switch it over here to this, you see this difference in the volume. This is growing greener. It should go up a little higher than that. Let's see, 388, 387. It's 388 on Bittrex right now on my Trading View app. I know it's actually 390 now over there. What a business to be in when you're in exchange. If you're running an exchange, wow, that volume's going up. This is a 1 minute chart. So add these two volumes together, and then you get what you see over here on the 2 minute chart right here. This is every 2 minutes. So this is a new 2 minutes. So that's what we're looking at. So we're probably gonna pop out of here. This Verge is receiving some volume. If you guys are tuning in, you're catching some real good stuff right now. I think this is like the traders paradise right here. Actually seeing position go up. I would love to see this head to a dollar. If this went to $1 today, man. This is not a pump and dump. Also, I wanted to clarify that because Verge, as you see, a lot of if you're following altcoins today, you'll hear a lot of the news saying, "Oh, they're all turned red. They were all green yesterday, all turned red," and those are pump and dumps. Identify them now because they're gonna pump and dump again. Identify them now. Identify them now. Maybe I should do an identify pump and dump video, just to help people out and help everybody out, and hopefully I get more subscribers and more people will use my links to support my channel. I really appreciate it. And the people that have been tuning in and leaving positive comments, I appreciate you. Thank you. I hope we can come up together and profit together and trade together, or maybe just mine together, or just go through this cryptocurrency experience together. Bitcoin's on the rise. It's headed to $1 million. You guys hear me say that all the time. We know that because we know that, right? The maximum say. This is how we know that. Go look at my previous video when I talk about M1 world money the variable is M0, but that's physical money. Then you got to add that to M1 is M0 plus checking account, and that's about $35 trillion. But if you add that to the total world money that's in the world right now, which is M2 money, M2 money is 100 trillion. Right now, Bitcoin has about less than 1% of that. So all we need is 50% of that, and we're at $1 million per coin, per Bitcoin. That's all we need. If we had 100% of the world money in Bitcoin, it'll be at 2.5 million. 2.5 million per coin. But I don't think Bitcoin would ever take all of the money out of the world into itself. It should. I mean, even I can't predict that. But Litecoin will be right behind it, and I don't think Ethereum's gonna live. That's just how I feel. That's just when you have apps on top of things, you're trying to beat Bitcoin to the punch. Your security, Bitcoin is still working on security. That's what people don't realize about Bitcoin. They're updating security features. They're updating security transactions for micro payments, the security behind these micro transactions. Once the Lightning Network solves that problem, now Coinbase and all the exchanges, I guess only whether they'll update their software to the current version of Bitcoin is if everybody else has it already. So that's all it's going to take. Then they got this thing called like roots or something, like block roots, root block or something, and that's giving them Bitcoin its application. And they're updating that, but these people are already testing this for the last 2-3 years, so this shit ain't new. And they're looking at people that just buying into these ICOs, okay, thinking these coins are gonna, go to the moon and then stay up there. They're probably gonna go to the moon and back. Bitcoin is going to the moon and then going to Mars and then going to Jupiter and then it's going to the Andromeda, okay? That's a whole nother universe. That's not even our universe. That's a different universe, all right? I'm not even talking about galaxies, okay? Bitcoin's going to a different fucking universe, man. I can't say it's going to a different dimension. I'm not even going to go that far, but it's going to a different universe, all right? Even if there's one bigger than this one, I mean, until then, I don't think we're not even going to be able to be alive to see where Bitcoin is going at that time. But we can profit on it right now in the meantime. So that's what this channel is all about. Tune in, stay tuned. I'm still trading this Verge. It's going down right now. It's doing this panhandle thing. Whenever you see a panhandle like this, here's the one forming right here. It's a smaller one. I just want this thing to go back up here. Probably a pop up there. I'm afraid to even trade out of this into Bitcoin because I just see buyers right here. And then this is on BitREx. This is BitREX's info. And they haven't even popped as high as like right up here. This is it actually went this high to what is the value of that? I don't even know what that is in coin. Let me go back over here. In cents. Let's go back. Now we're looking at the chart from the USD side of things, okay? And this is still BitREX, and the volume is going down. The volume goes up, the volume goes down, then the volume goes up, the volume goes down, okay? We're curving, we're learning. It's 2-minute charts. Let's go to a 10-minute chart, see where we're at right here. We're pretty high. We haven't been higher than this level in a while, so I feel like taking profit, coming back in when it gets down here, and I'm not gonna say take profit. I'm gonna say buying Bitcoin with this, and then it's really difficult for me to put term like to basically put this in language, be able to speak about this. I can show you better than I can tell you, though. I am working on my communication, so bear with me. But I would basically, when you look at this XVG and you say, oh, I bought in, where did I buy my XVG? Let's go to my Binance app. I bought my XVG, okay, let's see, 1 day ago, at 385, okay. So I'm actually, I thought I got in cheaper, less than that, so I'm actually good. I'm gonna just hold my position. I thought I got this at like 350 for some reason. I thought I bought it like down. I thought I got in like right here, 372. That's what actually what I thought I got in at, like right around here. But I must have got in right around 385. I got in right here. Okay, so I've been taking a little bit of heat. Let's see. I got in like right here. So I'm jumping the gun. Okay. I'll let you guys stay tuned to this. You guys go get this Binance app. The app itself is way more robust and secure than trading through the web. Okay, it just is, and everybody's still trading on the web. You know why? Because they don't know about this Binance app. They actually had the app. Go download it. It's really cool. It's really robust. I should make some more. Videos about how good it is, how clean it runs. Maybe I could do that right now. I mean, but I like to separate my videos. So we'll return to this trade after I get a little bit more in profit. But this is a panhandle right here. What these normally do is, it's like this was a panhandle one point in time. But this never turned red, so that's a bad idea. So let's look at a panhandle that actually turned red. Let me see. Maybe I can pull this out to an hour. This is just a big panhandle right here. Okay, check it out. Fractals. And then what it does is it'll come up here and then break out. Maybe I can show you better on TradingView. Here's a panhandle and it broke out on BitREX. See, BitREX has never been up to this 477 mark. This 477 mark is where one of the highest are on Binance. This is like one of the highest highs it's had, as far as, you know, where the price has gone, where people have actually traded, bought and sold on Binance. So if it heads back up here, this is where I'm going to basically get out. But I think it'll probably be a bad move to get out right here, only because it might pop. And if it pops past this part, if it meets resistance and starts coming back down, I might get out, I might not. But this is a panhandle, and what panhandles do, they pop out depending on what point of the panhandle you're at. But what day was this right here, man? Because this is the 12th, the 16th, 17th. Okay, this is on the 19th hour, 18th hour on the 16th. Okay, let me go back to TradingView and see if I can find that point on here on the 16th. Here's the 16th over here, 19th hour. Here it is right here. So this is what it looked like on BitREX, the 18th and the 19th hour on the 16th. Put a flag right here. Okay, there it is. It's not 477. 477 is way up here. flag right there. Okay, just so you guys can see the price difference right here. It might, if it, see Bitrex trading on these platforms, you see that it comes up here and then the panhandle was made. It breaks through and it just fakes you out, fake out. That's what they call whipsaw. Because a lot of buyers will get in right here, and whales, if there are whales trading this, which there probably are, they'll get in right here and draw the price back down, taking everybody that's buying money. Then the price, if this was a pump and dump, the price would never come back up here. But it's not a pump and dump because I don't trade pump and dumps. And this is a real whale would have took this price all the way back down to fucking zero. But this, you know, it's suspect, but I'm not going to declare this as a pump and dump. I just can't, because Verge has been around for a very long time and it has some promising applications. I don't like the coin count on it though, as a high coin count. I might just get out right here, but I would rather wait to see if this thing pumps past this number right here. I like to see it go past 600, past this point, past 477 again on Binance. And that's what I'm waiting on. So I'm gonna just hold this, and now you guys know where I'm actually thinking about getting out. I'm thinking about getting out at 477. Okay. And then wait to see what happens. It could reach there today. It could take 2 days. I think it might go there today because of the volume that's and you know, everything that's going on YouTube and Twitter about Verge right now. All the miners are mining it too. Everybody's jumping in Verge, right? And Verge is a hot topic right now. So it could very well get, I mean, if Cardano went from 11 cent, I can't see why Verge can't do it. Verge is a anonymous currency. It competes with Monero, but it just has too many damn coins. I'm not sure how many coins it has. Maybe we should take a look at it and see how many coins Verge has really quick. Dragon coin is doing me some good right now. I'm happy I got that. I made that purchase at 70 cents. Let's go ahead and reload this. Let's see where Dragon coin is at. Okay, I'm still in profit. Let's go ahead and try Verge VERG, and we're at 6 cents a coin. It's up 29%. Circulation max supply. Max supply is 16. All right, at least it's not 100 billion or 100 trillion like fucking XRP and shit. I'm doing good. I'm up 17. My portfolio is okay, great. All right, and that's what we got to talk about. So I'm gonna take this call, and I'm gonna leave you guys with this. Here's some markets for Verge. If you don't want to go to Binance, you can go to Bitrex, which has got more volume recently. Okay, but like I said, Bitrex, they have severe problems. South Exchange, I've never seen that. Nova, Utopia, Caesar, Hit, BTC. I'm surprised it's there. Light bill, blah blah blah. All right. Take care. Trade. What am I waiting on? Wait. You're getting out? Yeah, but market cap isn't even 1 billion. Okay. Oh, okay. Let me look at I didn't know I had viewers. Okay. Let me talk to you, Brandon Mitchell. What's up, man? How you doing? Wait, you're getting out. That's what you're commenting. Let me pop this chat out real quick. Participant, pop the chat out the box. Okay, we got some good stuff going on now. Where should I put this damn thing? Not even 1 billion, right? You're right. Well, look, this is the deal. I think the question that you're asking me, Brandon, is I'm glad you're doing all right. I'm glad you're doing all right. I know there's some kind of lag time too, so I'm gonna try to be a little bit more understanding. Well, yeah, the cap is not 1 billion. What do you mean? The cap on Verge, I got it on the screen right now. Here's the maximum supply, which is 16.5 billion. Let me blow that up. Maybe you can't see that. You got your glasses on, man? Check it out. Max supply right here. This is coin market cap. I know you know that, but it's dark. I made it dark because down here, a lot of people don't know that you can switch the lights off and on them, stuff like that. Maybe this looks familiar. All right, look, max supply. Oh, I see what you're saying. Okay, I see what you're saying now. You're saying the market cap is right here. It's not a billion. Okay, okay. In order for you to get 100%, for it to double, this would have to be 2 billion. And that's why I'm thinking about getting out up here at 470. So I don't know how fast it can go to 2 billion. I'm not really, I haven't really tracked that, but I will be tracking and see how fast it goes to a billion. Maybe you have a point. Maybe I should open my mind to that. Like maybe it'll go to 2 billion easy. What do you think? How soon do you think it can get to 2 billion? Since it's on everybody's radar, you might be right. They'll have to take their money. They're going to take their money out of some other alt and put it over here. But by that time, they've already lost money because pump and dumps are taking everybody's money. The whales will probably put that much in and take it out. But I don't think most whales they work with like 2 million at a time. The whole whale rooms. Okay, 11 cents is the next target. Brandon says he heard 11 cents is the next target. Well, that would kind of like, let me see, what did I buy in at 5 cents, I think? I bought this damn thing. I don't know. I think I bought in at 5 cents. So 11 cents would double my money, right? Or am I wrong? I don't know. Maybe that is a good point to get out. That's a good place to get out. Let's see. All right, here we go. The BTC 370. See, that's strange. All right, let's reload this. Let's go to BitREx because this is showing us values from, I don't know where they're drawing their Verge value. I think this is the average on all the exchanges. Matter of fact, yeah, I know that. That's the average of all these exchanges. Okay, Brandon says multiply 11 cents by the max supply and see what market cap would have to be. Okay, no problem. 11 cent times market cap. Market cap would have to be not that bad, not that far away. Something's wrong though. that 11 cents times the market cap is a bad calculation. Because what you really got to do is multiply by the coins. So the supply, the circulating supply is what you meant is what we got to do. So let's do 11 cent by the coin count. And we're gonna get boom. There's the real value. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 1 billion, 1.5 billion. That's not bad. So if you guys have been hearing what's been going on, when this market cap gets to 1.5 billion, it'll be at 11 cents. You can get in right now for 6 cents according to market cap, if you can find the exchange. That's the average price for all these exchanges right here. So what I'm going to do is, if I were you, is I would scour this, like right here. Here's Binance again. Binance BTC has got it for 6 cents right now according to this. But I can tell you right now, let me update it just to be fair. Let's update it. Let's go to Binance BTC right now. It says you can get it for 6 cents. You can get it for 5 cents on CSEX. I would recommend go buy it on CSEX then, or buy CSEX got it for 5 cents. Oh, Nova Exchange has one for 10 cents, but these are Doge. You gotta look at BTC. So 6 cents for BTC. CSEX got BTC right now. Got them for 5 cents on CSEX, and then I would buy them and then send them over to Binance if that's what I would do if I wanted to get in for really cheap. But who knows if this is actual accurate information? I don't have those exchanges pulled up. Hey Brandon, thanks man. That you helped the channel out a lot, man. So head over here and bam, that's what the real price is right there. Right, Binance is like, you know, right, 392 Satoshi sats, 393 sats. That's 7 cents. And Binance, believe it or not, automatically calculates it, the Bitcoin value, and it takes it and converts it right there to USD value on the fly. So you don't have to pull calculators out all the damn time like I do. You know, that's just crazy. But you got to do what you got to do if you want to make this dough, right? So the price of Bitcoin, this is an average between Poloniex and Bitrex right here, 18. It's okay. It's good to know what Bitcoin is doing. That's down $700, which is 3%, 3.73% down. Okay. 4% down, 4% Bitcoin. And why aren't the alts pumping? Where are the alts pumping? Let's see. Are there alts pumping? I know that that could mean some good business for Litecoin. That could mean good business for Verge coin. That could mean good business for Neo. But we don't try to monitor every coin out there. Some of these things I believe are pumps, blatant pumps, unblatant pumps. EOS is $11, so that's a good thing for EOS. EOS is pumping. Let's go look at some other coins just to do it for the channel. And get a good, like a lot of people don't know about. I bought a 300,000 at 104 sats. Damn, you are like in the money. Brandon Mitchell, I should follow your channel. I probably did see your channel, Brandon. I think you were like in the mechanic shop. Was that you? You and your brother? And you were talking about how you bought 300K at like 2 cents, and then again, then you bought another, bought some more at another price at it. Oh, no, that was Cardano. Yeah, that wasn't Verge. They brought Cardano. They thought they brought 300,000 worth of Cardano, so that would cost you like what, $3,000? This thing goes to $1, man. You done made $30,000, man. You're brave. That's what it takes to make money. I trade. I want everybody else to make money. I trade, and then I'll trade with you. I'll trade with you, man. How about we trade right now? I'll give you. No, I'm just playing. I couldn't even beat that price. You saw where I got in. I got in at a stupid dumbass price. I got in at what? This price right here, 385. You basically got in half of where I got in at. Less than half. You were watching this. You got in good. You got in down here. You got in down here on the damn, he bought 1 million. Man, y'all was smart. When did you guys do that? How long ago was that? How long ago did he buy, and how long ago did you buy at 174? 174 is about right here. If I pull back this thing in time, let's see. Let's go to the day charts. I say day chart, buddy. Right. Day chart. Now, if you could have got in 174 way back here when it was turning red, if you were really smart, you look how many days ago that was. That's not even that many days ago. Verge. I thought Verge was older than that. Oh, I see. I got that slow. My channel's not big enough to have slow mode on. I should go turn that slow mode shit off. Let me see if I can do that on the fly right here. How would I do that? I don't even remember how I turned slow mode on, but I believe I went to advanced, stream options, added delay, no, advanced settings. Some people don't know how to do this. Under advanced settings, you would go into enable slow mode. So I'm gonna take the slow mode off, save changes. This should fix everything. Sorry about that. My channel's not big enough for that. Oh, you got in on Saturday? Shit, I got in on Saturday probably. Let me see. What day was this? Yesterday? 1 day ago? Oh, I got in yesterday. Got an incoming call, man. That's crazy. I didn't talk to nobody. Yeah, you should see my previous. Did you see my previous video on Dragon Coin? Man, Disney's Dragon Coin. You can check it out. Go get you some, man, because that it's definitely going up. It's actually killing everything I've ever lost. It's like it's wiping my losses away. That was a great coin that I bought too, Dragon Coin. Saturday. So Brandon got in on Saturday. That was like what day was that? Saturday. Let me pull up Saturday. Let's see. That was the 16th. December 16th was Saturday. So he got in let's see, 16. He got in right here on this candle right here. Am I right? That don't even look right. But that's right. Yeah, you could have got in then. Yeah, you could have got in like right 172, right? Yep. I think that's what you told me. Let me go back to the chat. 174. He says he got in at 174. So right at the beginning of that day, you probably don't really remember, but you got in on Friday sometime. I don't know where you're from, what country you're from, but you got in right there when it was green. I was looking at it right there. I was like, should I get in? Should I get in? I waited for a pullback, so I saw this pullback right here. I was like, oh yeah, let me go sell my dumbass. I had to go sell my XRP. I gotta answer this phone. So yeah, you got it Saturday. You don't know. You know. That's about right. You got a good memory. You know, as good as anybody's. Trust me. You got to write this stuff down, or you got to just use a trade protocol right here and just go back to your history when you bought it. What exchange did you buy it on? Hey, babe, what's going on? Yeah, I'm on the West too. I'm in Las Vegas. I gotta take this call. Give me a second. I'll be back with you with you in a second. All right. That's good that you're on Binance. Do you know about this app right here? This is a downloaded app right here. This is the shizzle. I can hit this and see my Verge account right here. My Verge ticker right here. I can hit that down. All right. And I can pull this back up. Boom. Do you know about that? This is a little freaky little thing right here. Oh, it only works on this side of the screen. Oh, it doesn't work on this screen at all, actually. Can't make it work. I can't make it work again, but if it'll hide itself. It does an auto hide, has an auto hide feature that I like about it. Yeah, go. I got some links down here in this video too that you can just click on and go download this app. It's hard to find the app to Binance. I don't know why they don't make it public. They don't do it. You know, they don't really advertise. So, but they're damn good. This is a word of mouth. Okay, you get to Binance via word of mouth because this thing is awesome. You go to my favorites. Let me see. You said something about adding. I know I said I was gonna get off the phone because I got to talk to my wife. My girl is on the phone. Add that. I just want to see the price of it. Yes, at 54 cents. I had got in ADA when it was 11 cents, 17 cents. Yeah, so that went great. I expect this to go higher, but like I said, these types of these coins that have high coin counts, I mean, billions have to rush in. You already know this is billions have rushed in to ADA. And this is what billions of dollars have done to the price. Moved it up about 50 cents. You know, and to me, that's they want each coin to be worth $1. So that's what they're going for when they go with high coin counts. And that's one of the things that you got to look at and say, oh, so if it goes to $1, when it does, then that's their target. I got to go. Take care. Hey, babe, what's going on?